In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, setting up your accountant with access, or simply require the information for your records, knowing where to uncover your QuickBooks license number can truly save you time. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself at the main interface of your QuickBooks account. This dashboard acts as your command center for all financial management activities. It's where the magic of QuickBooks comes to life, offering you a comprehensive view of your business's financial landscape. Today, however, our mission is to navigate to the Settings menu. You'll click on the link conveniently located at the top of your screen. This click will smoothly transition you to the Settings interface, a significant hub for customizing your QuickBooks experience. It's where you manage everything from subscriptions to payroll and other critical account configurations. Within the Settings interface, our next task is to track down an option labeled Additional Info. It should be relatively easy to spot in this area. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Additional Info. This opens a richer view of details concerning your QuickBooks account and, notably, your license. Among these various pieces of data is your company ID. This company ID functions as your license number, a crucial piece of information you don't want to forget. It's highly recommended to jot this number down in a secure location. Having it on hand can be incredibly useful, especially when you need to reference it during future interactions with QuickBooks support or while managing your account. Taking these steps is part of a broader strategy to keep your financial management tools organized and easily accessible. It not only aids in troubleshooting, but also supports proactive financial software management. Always keep in mind, whether your records are in print or digital format, maintaining your software's licensing details is a best practice. Once your company ID is safely recorded, the concluding step is to confirm your action. You'll typically find an OK button at the bottom of the screen. Clicking OK allows you to close out of that section, ensuring a return to the main settings area. This action confirms that you've secured the necessary information without accidentally altering any details. With just a few clicks and a minimal investment of your time, you've successfully noted your QuickBooks license number. This straightforward task enhances your efficiency and equips you with vital information without any hassle. In our fast-paced digital world, effectively storing such crucial details is key to smooth business operations. This experience underscores your attention to detail and readiness, qualities that elevate your administrative efforts from ordinary to outstanding. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your QuickBooks account. If you have further questions or require additional guidance with QuickBooks, feel free to explore other resources or tutorials. Have an excellent day and happy accounting!